How to remove video backgrounds. Hello guys, this is Ericus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can remove your video's background. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. Now, to remove your video's background, you can use one of the most popular video editing tools, that is CapCut. So open up your CapCut and you'll need to import your video right here. So go to the file location where you have your video, then drag it and drop it right here. After you've done that, you can then tap on this plus icon to add it to the track, and there we go. After you've done that, you can then select the video. If it's like this, tap on the video, and if you're on the video section, you will be on basic. Head over to remove BG. After you're on this tab, you'll find the auto removal option, which you just press on it, it'll automatically start removing your background. Now you'll notice this small diamond right here. This diamond means that this feature is only available for the pro users, so you will need to pay for the feature. But there's also another one that is called custom remove, which you can use to just remove the background. But basically, this is how you can remove background in CapCut. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye.